That's for the video, and here it says so you're not just checking your results, but you are going to get a PDF of your results where you can print it and send to your school. Okay, so with this one I will show you how you can check your placement and also your enrollment form. You will get it as well, so you get your placement and also your enrollment form. If you're new, just to show you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. And if in case you face any issue with checking your placement, kindly leave it in the comment section and I will check it out and help you answer it. Okay, or you can check in the comment section description and then you can contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, so you can just WhatsApp me if you have any issue concerning your placement. Okay, yes, and also if in case you check your school and then you need to do self-placement, that one, check in the comment section. I have made a video on self-placement. Check it out and click on that particular link to know how you can do self-placement. Okay, but now let me show you how you can check your school. And don't forget to like the video for me so that more people can get to watch this video and know how it is done. So just check this website called cssps.gov.gh. okay, just enter it in your browser, and with this particular link you can also check in the comment section or the description of the video. You get it right there. That is the cssps.gov.gh where you're going to check your BEC results. Okay, so when you log on to that particular website, this is the interface of it. This is how the platform looks like. What that you're going to do is to enter your index number. Enter your index number right there and then add the year that you completed your the year that you completed the school. Okay, so let's say 2025, 2023, you just enter 23. If 2025, just enter 25. So add that 25 to your index number. So you enter it right here, so you can see index number, and they've given you an example right here. So this is 2025, you just add 2025 to it. 25. Okay, so if 2026, then just add 26. 2027, 27 to your index number. After that, look down here, we have your date of birth right there. You can tap on it and then choose the year that you were born. Okay, so date of birth, you enter right there. Most of you 2005, 2009, 2008, you can just select, and then the month you just choose from here, and then you choose the day. Okay, so the month, day, year, everything is already, then you just set right here, and then it will be showing like this right there. Okay, after you've entered your index number and then your date of birth, then you just tap on sign in. Make sure everything is correct before you tap on the sign in, otherwise you will be rejected on the platform. So make sure every data that you enter here is correct, then you tap on the sign in. So right now, as you are on the dashboard like that, look at the top left corner. You will see we have some three lines right here. Tap on the three lines. When you tap on the three lines, you see where we have the dashboard, we have the placement information, and then we have the self placement. So those of you with the self placement issue right there, as I said, there will be a video for you that you can follow the step-by-step guide on everything that you need to know with the self placement. Now we are going to the placement information. So you tap on the placement information, it will reveal your chosen school. So the choices that you chose when it comes to the results, the schools that you want. Okay, when it comes to the placement, so we have the placement information where your choices will be shown. We have the choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, choice 5, choice 6, choice 7. Okay, yes, and then you have the place school. The school that you are placed will be down there. So as you see right here, this is Halidu and Hassan's school that he got. Okay, so you can see the program that he's going to do, the SHS that is placed in, and then also whether it is day or boarding, and then the district that the school is in, and then also the region that the school is in. So we have all these for you right there for you to know everything about your place school. Right now, with how you can print your results, I mean the place school, the placement, not the result particular, but the placement, you're going to tap on the print placement down here, tap on the print placement, and then tap on the print enrollment form, and then you can just use that one, go to any printing press, print it out, and get the hard copy of your placement. So this is how you can check yours. It's very simple. If anything, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now.